I question myself. As we lose things in the light, we lose things in the light. Look what happens in the light. Take it out of the light, put it back into the energy. Put it away into the energy and leave it there. Don't let it out from the energy. I lose my face to the light. I lose my face to the light. To evaluate the effects of local administration of fetal brain extract on the crushed pyramidal nerve, 15 male Wistar rats were used. The right sciatic nerve of 10 rats was locally underwent the tense compression for 30 seconds and then randomly divided into experimental and control sham groups. The remaining rats were considered as intact animals. Treatment was commenced weekly by intramuscular injections of FBE, fetal brain extract. How far has this gone into the world? If you want to go back and see what's going on in the world, you must read everything. But since all of us know a lot about a few things, and some of us, or many of us, might know a little about a lot of things and are good at one or two things, but you can't do it all. And then it becomes hearsay. Who said? How do you know? Do you have any witnesses? So if I say something is happening and I'm the only one and everybody denies me because what I spoke, it doesn't mean my word is not the truth. And speaking the truth, and that gets passed on through what is known as the ether. And here it is on my face, showing up as the white shadow to the dark matter. I am the dark matter, and this is the white matter. When we come face to face, it shows face. White will cover the dark. And so be it. The question comes, is it sun up and then sun down? Is the earth rocking? I don't know. Number two, there's reasons I'm bringing this up, because when I punched in 7286 with all the numbers when I first began 17 years ago, and you can see December 21st, 2005. Okay, the story inside here, I'm not sure, I haven't gone through it yet. I don't really understand. It's a whole lot of numbers and letters, right? But we have CCDS, which comes together at 1828. And when 1 and 2, 8, we're talking about the subject within 88, alpha, beta, alphabet, what Aldous Huxley was talking about, alpha males, and what is a female, what is a male? Well, although the female is 12, right? And the 10 is not mentioned as 10 and 2, right? But if it was mentioned as 10 and 2, how do we know it's a 10 and 2? Because we see the 1, it's not mentioned that way because it's a 12. So is it a 6 and 6, the highest number you can get, 12 through the gateway? Or is it 7 and 5? What went through the gateway? The male and the female, the king and the queen, or was the queen crowned king? I don't know. 1 and 2 is not the same as 2 and 3, but 1 and 2 is almost like 2 and 4, like we think, but it is the gateway between 2 and 4, where the 1 dot okay, will present itself into the heavens, where the 2 dots is where the 1 dot will reside. This is inside the Beta gates, 2 and 7, and this is Ra, or the one spirit roams into the earth. Why 50 and 25? Darts tell me that story.